Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a professional landing page from scratch using System.io. We're going to do this step by step, so even if you're a total beginner, you can follow along. If you don't have an account yet, check the link in the description. You can join for free right now. And no, you don't even need a credit card to get started. Alright, let's jump in. Head over to the Systeme.io homepage, enter your email, and sign up. You'll get a confirmation email. Just click it to activate your account and head to your dashboard. Now, at the top, click on Funnels. Then, hit the Create button on the top right. First, give your funnel a name. I'll call mine Sales Page. For the domain, you can connect your own or use the default one. Now, you need to choose your goal. Since I'm creating a demo page to sell affiliate products from ClickBank or Digistore24, I'm going to select Sell. For the currency, I'll switch it from Euro to US dollar, but feel free to keep it in Euro if that works for you. Then, hit Save. Now, you'll see the funnel we just created. Just click on it to open up the settings. The next page will open. Look at the bottom left and click Add Step. A pop-up will appear. Give it a name and select Sales Page as the type. Systeme.io gives you plenty of templates, but since we're building this from scratch, I'm going to choose the Start from Scratch option right here and hit Save. Now, click the Edit Page icon on the right. As you can see, the page is completely blank, giving us a clean canvas to work on. Let's start building. From the left panel, grab the headline text element and drag and drop it onto the page. I'm going to paste my pre-written headline here, but you can type whatever fits your brand. I'll also adjust the color and spacing to make it pop. Next, I'll grab a text element and drop it right under the headline. Again, I'll paste my description, adjust the font size, and change the color for a clean look. Now, let's add some visuals. I'm dragging a column layout onto the page first. In the first column, I'll drop an image element. Just click the settings, upload your file, and adjust the size. If you want to use video, it's just as easy. In the next column, grab the video element. Go to Settings, upload your video, and you're good to go. Now for the most important part, the call to action. Drag a button element and drop it at the bottom. Under Settings, select Open URL. Since I'm selling a product, I'll paste my affiliate link here and set it to open in a new window. Finally, under Typography, let's change the text to something catchy like Buy Now. And we're done. Hit Save at the top right and click Preview. As you can see, our simple landing page is ready to go. In the next video, I'll show you how to capture leads by adding first name and email fields to your page. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.